Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here in Houston at one of our workshops. We have an ICS chartering workshop going on today, and I'm delighted to introduce Monsi, who's joining us from Mexico City.
Hello, my name is Monserrat. I came from Mexico City. I work with a ship owner in Mexico, and it's today I am learning a lot of things of chartering terms, and it's my everyday work. So I'm very glad to be here.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. And do you enjoy your work?
Yeah, a lot of. I learned a lot of things today, and even in the work like every day. So I'm very happy.
Okay, good. Can you give us a couple of specific things that you heard this morning that you will be taking back to your team in Mexico City?
Okay, about the time charter that because we have vessels in Mexico, so I will come back with all my equipment and my team. So I'll be very glad to share a lot of things like with them.
Great. So you found this workshop worthwhile today.
Yes, for sure. It's very helpful for us, and I think I am one of the tiny ones in my company. So I'm very glad to learn a lot of things and share with them.
Good. Have you been to Breakbulk before?
I'm new on this. I only 2 years working on that. So
And you like it so far?
yeah, for sure.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing your impressions with us.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, it's Leslie. I am now joined by Dusan from Mexico, who has participated in the ICS chartering workshop this morning. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm here from Veracruz, Mexico. The name of the company is Gulf Port Services, surveying business. Used to be the captain on the vessel. And I found this chartering course exciting. I'm expanding my knowledge about the chartering.
Right. So that must be quite a transition going from captain to surveying. Tell us a little bit more about what you do now.
Well, it is. It is now. I was a captain. I was used to sail for about 21 years, and now in surveying business 15 years. We have office in Veracruz and Altamira, and transition is you get to know both sides of the vessel shipping business.
Absolutely. And you would have so much knowledge having been on a ship.
That's correct. That's correct. And being in a course here on a educational day, it helps me get into the details like demurrage and dispatch and things like that, which are.
Have you found that the issues around chartering have changed over the length of your career?
Well, definitely, electronical business is getting into it. Yeah, definitely changed.
What kind of cargoes do you typically handle?
We are handling most of the cargo. We are handling is steel and aeolian components and containers. We are basically in all of that.
Well, that is fantastic. So tell me, what's the most interesting thing that you've learned so far in the workshop?
The most interesting thing is, for me, it's demurrage and dispatch of the present educational day.
Okay. And have you been at Breakboat before?
Yes, I've been 2 times before.
Oh, well, great. Third time's a charm, and we're and we're so happy you're here. I hope you enjoy the afternoon and the entire show.
Thank you very much.
Hi, it's Leslie Meredith, and I am here with Tuwei, who's from the Washington Maritime Shipping Corporation. Oh, I almost got it. Well, welcome. He's joined us from Annapolis, Maryland, and is participating in our ICS chartering course today. So tell us, what have you learned this morning?
I've learned quite a lot. The charting terms, obviously, and for what we do more government cargoes. And so there's a lot of similarity between the commercial break bulk. So that's been really amazing to see and hear all the things in common, and same thing, some of the challenges that we face both in the government sector as well as in the break bulk as well. So
So what different things or what additional concerns do you have to take into account when you're working with government cargo?
The biggest thing really is when the cargo is ready and when the ship arrives. So most of the times, yes, the biggest challenge is trying to figure out, yes, did the government bring the cargo on time so that the ship is not just sitting there waiting, and then you go to the back and forth between the government and the ship owner as far as, yes, so who pays for what and who's responsible for.
And those delays can get very expensive.
Very expensive, extra, yes. And then at the same time, you don't get the cargo to the destination on time. Some might still your fault. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what ports are you working in and out of?
Pretty much the West Coast, we go Los Angeles, we go Port Hueneme, we Houston a lot, Beaumont. On the East Coast, we go like up and down Savannah, Jacksonville, New York. So pretty much almost most ports on all coasts. And then of course, worldwide as well.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So you've got quite a business.
It is, yeah. Very challenging and but a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
That is good to hear, and I hope that you've learned some information that you can take back with you that will help you and your team.
Absolutely, Leslie. Absolutely. It's a lot we've learned and can't wait for this afternoon to soak in and enjoy what's left.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with
thanks,
us.
Leslie. Yes. This is a great event, and once again, thanks for this chartering. I think it's the first year you guys are having it.
Yes, it is. You're at our maiden workshop on chartering.
Hopefully we'll pass as an exam this afternoon. Hopefully we pass and graduate.
An A. That's what I'm hoping for you.
Yes, thanks, Leslie. All right.
Thank you.